Hey there, my name is Joey Randazzo, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we got this specialty contractor daily leads, literally daily leads, when before working with us, they had never gotten a lead online. And I'll prove to you, text message with the client. I'm doing this LinkedIn post. I did it 2 days ago. Bob's the owner. You guys are doing great. We're getting calls almost every day, sometimes a couple calls every day for projects. And these are big projects. They do these geomembrane, geosynthetic liners on huge projects. And so, how do we get these results? And how can you replicate some of these results? Before doing that, I just want to show additional proof of this is a tool called SEMrush, and you can see you can see any website on the internet. I could put in Nike, I could put in anything, and it shows how you're ranking for particular keywords online. And you can see before working with us, literally, this was only 9 months ago, nothing, not ranking for a single keyword, and now ranking for almost 100. And some of them are really, really valuable. Geosynthetic liner companies ranking in position 2. Additional proof that they show up in rank is this is ChatGPT. And I did a random query. I'm on temp chat, which means that it's not pulling historical data. And I said, large pond liner leak, new installation, golf course needed near Idaho Falls. Who should I call? The second result here with the phone number. And why is that? Why are they performing? Why are they getting these daily calls? And the answer is we created content that says what they do, where they do it, and why they're the best. I'll break it down as we go by section. Before working with us, they did not have a page saying where they offer their services. It seems pretty straightforward. So we created state-specific pages. And then underneath those state-specific pages, we're now creating city or town-specific pages. So as you can see here, ChatGPT is referencing their Idaho Falls landing page because ChatGPT, one, will know where people are searching from, even if they don't put that information. And then two, people often put information, especially for this, folks are more rural. They'll say kind of what they, where they're located. And on this page, it basically says, here's what we provide, and here's where we provide it. And do you need a quote, etc. Projects we've completed in the Idaho Falls region. And this is where it gets really important, is we're actually sharing real work. And so, a lot of folks try to game the system and they say, oh, let's just create like 100 location pages overnight. Let's ask ChatGPT to just create all of these pages. And that's not legitimate. You're going to run into penalties and issues. And so if you're a specialty contractor and you've done work, even if the images are not incredible, like this is not life-changing, but we're able to say the square feet, the product used, where it's located, and we're able to prove to the algorithms that we've done what we say we've done. We have additional pages for products, additional pages for services, but at the very basic level, you need, as a specialty contractor, to tell the algorithm what you do, where you do it, who you do it for, and prove it with real images and case studies, even if it's as basic as we've done a project in Glens Ferry, Idaho. Here's the square footage, quantity, and here's the product used. And so if you're a specialty contractor and you're looking for help to implement a strategy like this, this is what we do. This is our bread and butter. And this is how we get our clients to go from nothing to calls every day, sometimes multiple calls, a couple calls every day for projects. And so go to our website, SEOgrowthpartners.com. Once you get there, really easy, click the Become a Client button. All you have to do is share your name, email, phone number, etc. And then once you hit the Become a Client button, you'll get redirected to my calendar where you can directly book a call directly on my calendar, a time that works best for you, and we can have a conversation. We're month to month with our clients. There's no long-term contracts. We tell our clients if they don't get results within 6 months, they should absolutely fire us. And we look forward to hearing from you really, really soon.